Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy and very useful origami phone stand. Not only is it pretty easy and functional, but you also have the option to keep it folded, like this, and simply unfold it when you need to use it. The only material you'll need is a square piece of paper. In this video I'll use 15 by 15 centimeters. But you might need to change a little the type and size of the paper, depending on the size and weight of your phone. Anyway, the first step is to fold it in half. Unfold it and fold both sides to the middle. Unfold this part as well. Fold it in half horizontally. Unfold it. And fold the bottom and top sides to the middle. Unfold here as well. Next, we fold all four corners. Then again fold the right and left sides to the middle. And turn the paper over. Now we fold the four corners again. We can start at the top. And then repeat on the bottom two corners. Unfold this step. Fold the top part down using the existing line here. Then close the right side up. Folding like this. Close the left side the same way. Then fold the bottom part. Fold the two corners down, repeating the previous step. And then fold the paper in half. As the last step, we'll slightly open each side like this. Then reinforce these side triangles. Do the same on the other side. and our phone stand is ready! It will probably work perfectly, but as I mentioned at the beginning, you might need to vary the type of paper and size to make it perfectly compatible. And that's the idea. I hope you like it, I hope you were able to make it. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video.